we're getting these €85, that fucking handy.
Bank card, Visa, swipe on that when you need it. Turn an ounce to some grams real quick, man, I ran these things since a young little legion. I thought I don't see us, cause the big lads trapping in secret. You can go your way and I just go mine, take or leave it. Bank card, Visa, swipe on that when you need it. Turn an ounce to some grams real quick, man, I ran these things since a young little legion. I thought I don't see us, cause the big lads trapping in secret. You can go your way and I just go mine, take or leave it. Run up in the place and we shut shit down.
So the poor Mini has been left sitting here for like a month. I haven't driven it, I haven't looked at it. It still has all of the merch inside it. So what I want to do is just empty the car out, get all of this gear out, give it a good clean, and then check it for oil, start it. And one of my friends says that the issue could be this with the bogging down. It could be like something to do with all of the air and vacuums and stuff, so I need to check for leaks. I'm going to take this off and block it up and rev the car. So I want to start it, get it warm, rev it with all this connected, see if there's like a vacuum leak or an air blockage or something like that, and if it still does it, okay, fair enough. And then I'm going to block this up and do it, and if it still does it again, then there's an issue in here somewhere and we need to figure that out. So first off, what I'm going to do is dip it for oil, make sure it's fully topped up, and check all the fluids, make sure there's coolant in it and water in it, and then start the car, let it run, get it warm, and while it's warming up, we'll clear out the car and get it all nice and clean. She's a tad bit low, just on the first hole there, so we'll top her up with half a litre and check it then. And she's just over the halfway. Dip her in, get her all the way down, take her out. That's pretty healthy there now. So we'll stick that back in and we'll get her started up. Oh, that fuel pump is so much quieter. Bit primer a few times. That's the one thing I love about this car. Leave it sitting here for a month, hook the battery up, and she starts. First turn of the key. Let's go. Now, she's nice and cold. Let's get this car warmed up. Let's get all of this out of the car and all cleaned up, and let's go. See, it's still hesitating there a bit, so I'm just going to disconnect that pipe, obviously turn the engine off, disconnect that pipe, start it and give it a rev again, see if it is that issue. So dirty hands, about an hour later, I changed some pipes, hopefully that fixes it. We'll bring on the spin later on, but clean up, out with the family, yeah. Do what's most important and do what you love. Obviously I'm not going to spend all day with the Mini because family time, guys. So yeah, see you in a bit and we bring this on a spin. Yeah, buddy. So after making a mess of all my tools, so we replaced this line here, we ran it up to the back here, and then we replaced this line here that goes down to the Honda PCV valve, I think it is, which I need a new one of them because that one's absolute bollocks. So I need to figure out where this one goes, that goes from out, that's really hot, that goes from the bottom of the inlet to somewhere, but when you plug it nothing happens. Same as this needs a breather. But yeah, I am thinking about removing this and just going back to my tandem, because I had nothing but issues with this, and the brakes still aren't that good. The brakes are better with the tandem with the 10-inch, but I wanted to try and change it to make the brakes better with the bigger calipers. But I think I might just stick my new Tandem Master back in and get a new pedal box, and then that'll be it. So yeah, that's it. Just thought I'd do a quick video on changing bits on the Mini. It will be ripped apart next year anyway. It's all coming out. I'm gonna redo the subframe, redo loads of bits and pieces, fix the engine bay, and there is a bit of body work in it, so there is loads coming up on the Mini. Also thinking about turbo. There's loads of room down there for a turbo. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out, be dedicated, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, follow along for the journey on the garage and all the other builds that we will be doing next year. So peace out.
Call them chefs when they prep and they aim. They be cooking up some lawyers around here. Shit's real, I'll find out. 15 had a gun to me face for some money that I owed, but it's fine now. Climbed out of the hole I was in, that's a whole other thing, but I really wish they try now. Come try me, it's a stupid game. You won't like the prizes, some things have changed, so you invite the violence from a little flame to a name that could light up boiling. Different type of mileage, too fly, different type of pilot, too hot, different type of climate. Too sick, try avoid the virus, too lit, you could blind your eyes. I'm too fit, watch me flying by, is too quick for the eyes. I'm lightning, too rich for them type of prices, too slick for that type of guidance, too this, too that for the boys. Man, I'm tired of swiping, but bank card, Visa, swipe on that when you need it. Turn an ounce to some grams real quick. Man, I ran this thing since a young little legion. I thought I don't see it, cause the big lads trapping in secret. You can go your way and I just go mine, take or leave it. Bank card, Visa, swipe on that when you need it. Turn an ounce to some grams real quick. Man, I ran this thing since a young little